Okay, I'm not gonna try to buffalo you on this one, but I took some time to actually do some writing and calculating on this one before I started doing it while I was explaining it to you, and then maybe messed up. I might still mess up. I haven't checked the answer yet, but we'll see. So we have Emily Sweet, and in her 2000 regular season, she scored this many points. She had some 2 points from the field, and she had some 3 points, and she had some free throws. And we're supposed to figure out how many of each based on the clues they give us here. So it says the number of 2-point field goals she made was 50 less than double the 3-pointers. So 50 less than, if we double the 3-pointers that she made. So X equals the 3-point, the number of them. Then if you go on, the number of free throws she made was 40 less than this. So this was the 2-point. And then if we want the free throws, I'll just call it 1 point. Those are 40 less. So that's my 2 points. And then there's 40 less than that for here. And so then if it's the number of points that were scored, we would take the 1-pointers, which is, if you combine these two, that's 2x minus 90. And then add on the 2-pointers. So 2 times the 2x minus 50, because these are the number of them. And then we're going to have an equation for the total points she scored. And then 3 was x, and it equaled the total number of points of 845 that we had up there. So if we're going to solve this for the x, I'm kind of just looking here and seeing that I've got 2 x's here. That would be 4 x's there, and 3 x's, 3 x's and 4 x's and 2x makes 9x. And then this 90, this would be a negative 100 when I multiply that. There's a negative 90 here. So I've got a negative 190 on this side. So if I add that to the other side, I believe that's 1035 equal to my 9x then. And if I divide by my 9, I just worked that out on the Desmos and came up with that was 115 for x. So that's the 3-pointers. And then if I went back and put that in here, let me get in the right spot here. So that's for the 2-point, that was double the 115 and take off 50. So that's 230 minus 50. If that's 180. That's what I got on mine. And then for the free throws, or 1 point, it was 40 less than that. So 40 less than 180 is 140. So free throws, 1-pointers. We're going to put this in now and see how we did. That should be 140 of them. And the 2-pointers was the 180. And the 3-pointers, we had 115. And so just, you know, I might make it look like it was easier than it really is there, because like I said, I went over and grabbed a notebook, pad of paper and a pen, and wrote all that out and carefully went through it one by one. But, you know, that's the kind of thing. If you do it like that, take your time, really analyze it, work it out. You'll get it. You can do this. Don't give up.